Hello dear friends! Today I'm going to share a recipe for an all-natural homemade mascara. Before I start with the recipe, I just want to remind you to subscribe to our channel and also click the bell to receive notifications for all the videos that we post. This recipe for an all-natural mascara I created when I was letting go of all chemicalized beauty products. It really served its purpose very well, and that's why I want to share it with you. I just want to say from the beginning that it's not going to make a very high definition on your eyelashes. It's not gonna make them super long and thick just like any conventional mascara, but we are using natural products, and that's the most important thing. It will give just a nice definition of your eyes, and it will still be visible that you have mascara on your eyes, but you will not feel any irritation or whatsoever, because it's all made from edible products and it's just actually 2 ingredients. For this recipe you will need an empty old mascara container, and I recommend to use one which has the brush to give volume to the eyelashes. It will actually help to make your eyelashes more defined with this mascara. It is needed to wash your container very well, and your brush, of course, that you're going to use. And after you dry it very well, you want to make your mixture. And for your mixture you just need spirulina powder and water. You can replace the spirulina powder with chlorella. It will do just as well. You mix with water until you reach a thick paste. You can preserve this mixture actually in the mascara itself, but what I felt was serving me better was I was just using the brush of the mascara, and I was preserving this mixture in a separate container. You can actually just make it on the spot, just whenever you need it. You don't need to make big amounts because it hardens very quickly, but if you happen to make a bigger amount, you can preserve it, and you can add some more water to soften it again. If you wish to experiment, you can actually add some aloe vera gel to it. It will make it more of a creamy consistency, and it will also give some moisture to your eyelashes. Spirulina powder is very sticky, and once it hardens, it makes your eyelashes hard, which is the best part because this is how they will keep their shape. I hope you give this recipe a try, especially if you are allergic to beauty products. This is an excellent alternative, and leave us a comment down below if you like it, and I hope to see you next time.